When working with data-driven applications, it's always a good idea to start with the data. Get your data in place first, and then build your application around it. With that in mind, let's start by navigating to our existing MongoDB cluster that we created in a previous lesson. We are going to create a new database for this mini project. From your clusters page, click on the Collections button. We don't want to use the sample database that we previously built, so click on Create Database. Our database will be called task_manager. We'll create an initial collection, which will be called categories, and then click on the green Create button. After the database is generated, make sure to click on that one because we need to create 2 more collections. Click the green Create Collection button, and our second collection will be called Tasks, which is where each task will be stored. Our final collection will be called Users, and that's going to contain our registered users along with their secured data. These are the 3 collections that will form the basis of our Task Manager application. As we've learned previously, MongoDB is a document-based database, as opposed to a table-based database like SQL. There are similarities, however, and you will recognize some similar patterns. Let's create our first document, so click on your new Categories collection, followed by Insert Document. As before, these contain key value pairs. Our key is going to be called category_name, and the value will be travel. Then click on the green Insert button. Notice that MongoDB also provides an ID, which is similar to a primary key in a relational database like SQL. This will be the only category we manually add for now, so let's go to the Tasks collection to insert a new task document. The first key will be category_name once again, and that's going to be set to the category we've just created, called Travel. We are going to provide a few more attributes as well. Notice that we are creating the documents directly in the editor, rather than using the command line or terminal commands. This is just to get us up and running initially. Our task_name in this case is renew passport. The task_description is going to be must renew 6 months before expiry. We're also going to add an is urgent indicator. Since we'll be using the materialized toggle switch for this, it's a styled checkbox, which is either on or off. For now, we'll set it to off. Finally, we need to set the task due_date, and I'm using the format date, month, comma, and year. Click on the green Insert button, and that should insert our first task successfully to the database. We can now build our Flask project upon this data.